So problem number 3. A dual cycle using air pressure operates 14.7 psia, 70 degree Fahrenheit, and RK is equals to 7. The cylinder diameter of the engine is 10 inches and the stroke is 12 inches. The pressure at the end of isometric heating process is 800 psia. If heat is added at constant pressure during 3% of the stroke, compute the net work and the thermal efficiency. The atmosphere is 14.7 psi and 7 degree Fahrenheit. So, solution natin. So, kunin muna natin yung ating V2s. For V2, we have V1 minus V2 equals VD. So, V1 minus V2 over VD equals to pi over 4 d squared H. So, V1 minus V2 equals to pi over 4 d natin na 10 inches squared times H natin na 12 inches. So, V1 minus V2 equals to 942.47 cubic inch. So, 7V2 minus V2 equals to 942.47 inch squared. So, 6V2 equals to 942.47 cubic inch. Divide tayo 6 dito para makancel to. And naging 6 pala yun kasi matik na may 1 dito. So, 7V2 minus 1V2 equals to 6V2. So, V2 is equals to 157.080 cubic inches or 0.091 cubic feet. So, V2 natin is equals din siya sa ating V3. For the V1 naman, so RK equals to V1 over V2. So, derive natin. So, magiging V1 equals RK times V2. So, for the V1 naman, we have RK na 7 times V2 na V2 na 157.080 cubic inches. So, yung V1 natin is equals siya sa V1 is 1099.56 cubic inches or 0.636 cubic feet. So, V1 natin is equals din siya sa ating V5. For the P2 naman, 1 to 2 S equals C. So, P1 V1 raised to K over P2 V2 raised to K. Derive lang natin ito. Magiging P2 equals P1 over V1 over V2 or yung RK natin raised to K. So yung P2 natin is equals sa P1 na 40.7 psia times RK na 7 raised to K na 1.4. So yung P2 natin dito is 224.107 psia. For the T2 naman is equals to, for the T2, 1 to 2 S equals C. So T1 over T2 is equals to V1 over V2 raised to 1 over K. So derive lang natin to. So T2 equals T1 over V1 over V2 or yung V1 over V2 is equals to RK raised to 1 minus K. So T2 equals to T1 na 530 degree Rankine over RK na 7 raised to 1 minus K na 1.4. So, T2 natin is equals to 1154.290 degree Rankine. So, for the T3 naman, 2 to 3 V equals C. So, we have P2 V2 over T2 equals P3 V3 over T3. So, cancel na yung ating V2 and V3. So, T3 equals to P3 T2 over P2. So, T3 natin, we have P3 na 800 psia times T2 na 1154.290 degree Rankine over 2 P2 na 224.107 psia. So, yung T3 natin is we have T3 equals 41,204.496 degree Rankine. So for the V4 naman, V4 minus V3 equals 0.03 VD or yung 3% of stroke. So V4 minus V3 equals 0.03 times VD natin na V1 minus V2. So V4 equals V3 plus 0.03 times V1 minus V2. So V4 natin is equals to V3 na 0.091 cubic feet plus 0.03 times V1 minus V2 na 0.636 cubic feet minus V2 na 0.091 cubic feet. So yung V4 natin is equals to 0.107 cubic feet. So for the T4 naman, T4 3 to 4 P equals C. So P3 over P3 over T3 equals to P4 B4 over T4. So cancel na yung P3 and P4 natin. So T3 equals to V4 T3 over V3. So T4 equals to 0.107 cubic feet times T3 natin na 4120.496 degree Rankine over V3 na 0.891 cubic feet. So yung T4 natin is we have 4844.479 degree Rankine. So for the T5 naman, for the 5 S equals C. T4 over T5 equals to V4 over V5 raised to 1 minus K. So derive lang natin to. So T5 equals to T4 over V5 raised to 1 minus K. So substitute natin yung T4 natin na 4844.979 degree Rankine over V4 natin na 0.107 cubic feet over V5 natin na 0.636 cubic feet raised to 1 minus K natin na 1.4. So yung T5 natin dito is we have T5 equals to 374.994 degree Rankine. So for the mass naman is we have P1 B1 equals M RT1. So yung derive lang natin to. So M equals P1 B1 over RT1. So substitute natin. P1 equals to 40.7 pound per inches squared times B1 natin na 12 inches over 1 feet squared times 0.636 cubic feet over R natin na 53.35 feet pound force over pound mass degree Rankine times T1 na 530 degree Rankine. So M natin is equals to 0.048 lbm. And now solve naman natin for the ating W net. So W net is equals to QA minus QR. So solve muna natin yung ating QA. QA we have formula na MCB times T3 minus T2 plus MCP T4 minus T3. So substitute lang tayo dito ng ating M na 0.048 pound mass times CB na 0.171 BTU pound mass degree Rankine times T3 minus T2 na 4120.496 minus 1154.290 degree Rankine plus MCP T4 minus T1. M equals to 0.048 pound mass times CP na 0.24 BTU pound mass degree Rankine times T4 minus T3 na 4844.97 minus 4120.496 degree Rankine. So yung QA natin dito is equals to 32.693 BTU. For the QR naman, we have MCB times T5 minus T1. So, M is equals to 0.048 pound mass times CB na 0.171 BTU over pound mass degree Rankine times T5 minus T1 na 2374.994 minus 530 degree Rankine. So, QR natin is equals to 15.144 BTU. So, pwede na natin masolve yung ating W net. So, W net is equals to QA minus QR. QA equals to 32.693 BTU minus UR na 15.144 BTU. So, W net natin is equals to 17.549 BTU. For the E naman is we have W net is equals to QA. So, substitute lang tayo dito. W net is equals to 17.594 BTU over QA na 32.693 BTU. So, yung E natin dito is equals to 0.53678 or 53.678%. For problem number 4, an ideal combustion engine operation on 0.60 kg of air. Find the cycle efficiency if the compression ratio is 12, pressure ratio is 1.6, cutoff ratio is 1.5, and K equals 1.3. So, yung solution natin for the E is equals to 1 minus C over A. So, kunin muna natin yung ating C, yung A. So, C natin, we have formula na RPRC raised to K minus 1 over RP minus 1 plus RPK times RC minus 1. So, substitute lang tayo ng ating mga formula. Value na RP equals to 1.6, RC na equals to 1.5, and K na 1.3 minus 1 over RP na 1.6 minus 1 plus RP na 1.6 times RK na 1.3, RC na 1.5 minus 1. So, yung C natin is 1.042946,735. And for the A naman, we have RK times 8, RK raised to K minus 1. So, RK natin is equals to 12 raised to K na 1.3 minus 1. So, yung A natin is equals to A equals 2.107435899. So, pwede na natin masolve yung ating E. Meron na, nakuha na tayong C, yung A. So, E equals to 1 minus C over A. 1 minus C na 1.042946,735 over A na 2.10743589. So, E natin is we have 0.50511 or 50.511%.